Hi, my name is Louis Harrell. I'm with Smell Mazda, and today I'd just like to talk with you for a few minutes about SkyActiv Technology. SkyActiv Technology is actually a series of technologies which infects everything from the transmission, the engine, the body, and the chassis. It is an improvement on the overall engine technology in that it offers great fuel mileage while not compromising performance. With SkyActiv Technology, you get better engine combustion and also better compression ratios, which allows a much more enjoyable driving experience. The reason why SkyActiv Technology is so significant and so enjoyable is that it just offers a driving experience that is so highly technical that even when you take off, you don't even feel your engine going through the different shift modes as it goes from first to second to third. It just seamlessly goes from one gear shift to the next. That gives you just a much better driving experience. Also, even in terms of its body, it's made out of materials that are strong, but yet they're lighter materials. And that, again, allows you to have better fuel economy. So come on in, drive a Mazda, feel that technology for yourself, and I guarantee you, you'll agree with me that you've never had a driving experience quite like it. Come see us here at Smell Mazda in Greensburg, PA.